Pregnancy can be an exciting and joyful time, but it can also come with its challenges. As your body changes and prepares to bring new life into the world, it's important to take care of yourself both physically and mentally. That's where prenatal yoga comes in. In this video, we'll explore the benefits of practicing yoga during pregnancy and how it can help you prepare for childbirth and motherhood. Hello, and welcome back to our channel. My name is Zen, and today we're going to talk about one of the most popular forms of exercise during pregnancy, prenatal yoga. Prenatal yoga is a modified form of yoga designed for expectant mothers. It's a gentle, low-impact workout that can help you stay active, reduce stress, and prepare your body for childbirth. So, what are the benefits of prenatal yoga? Let's start with the physical benefits. First and foremost, prenatal yoga can help you maintain a healthy weight during pregnancy. It's no secret that pregnancy can cause weight gain, but by practicing yoga, you can keep your body toned and strong, which can help prevent excessive weight gain. Prenatal yoga can also help alleviate common pregnancy symptoms like back pain, fatigue, and constipation. The stretches and poses in yoga can help improve circulation, which can relieve muscle tension and promote relaxation. Now, let's talk about the mental benefits of prenatal yoga. Pregnancy can be a stressful time, but practicing yoga can help you stay calm and centered. Yoga is known for its meditative qualities, which can help reduce anxiety and depression. Additionally, prenatal yoga classes are often a great way to connect with other expectant mothers, which can provide a much-needed support system during this transformative time. But the benefits of prenatal yoga don't stop there. Yoga can also help prepare you for childbirth. By practicing yoga, you'll develop greater body awareness, which can be especially helpful during labor. Additionally, many of the poses in prenatal yoga can help open up the hips and pelvis, which can make childbirth easier and less painful. Lastly, let's talk about how prenatal yoga can help prepare you for motherhood. Pregnancy and childbirth can be physically and emotionally demanding, but by practicing yoga, you'll develop the tools you need to cope with these challenges. Yoga teaches you to be present in the moment and to focus on your breath, which can be invaluable skills when it comes to motherhood. In conclusion, practicing prenatal yoga during pregnancy can have numerous benefits for both your body and your mind. From alleviating physical discomfort to preparing you for childbirth and motherhood, yoga is a wonderful way to stay healthy and centered during this transformative time. If you're interested